Dude, no! Ugh. First safety call. I'm so not excited at all. I think I'll hit here. School. Oh great, I'm with that nerd again. Guess I'll sit beside him because there's somewhere else to sit. Stay there, Tears. Hi, my name is Dad. Shut up, dude. You're such a jerk. Ew, you look so ugly. Who wears those clothes anymore? Oh my gosh. And you're gonna do my homework for today. So I'm not gonna do any homework, so you're gonna have to do it.
No thanks.
What do you mean no thanks? You have to do it.
I don't wanna.
Well, you have to because I can't do it because I am going to a party tonight.
So do your homework. Do your homework another day, or don't do it, and then you're not
If
passed.
you don't do it, I will tell the principal that you're making me do your homework.
Don't worry, I got the proof of my phone.
Oh, never mind.
What?
Okay, class. Who knows what 2 plus 2 equals?
4.
Who said that?
Me.
Raise your hand. Very good, Rain.
Jackie.
Oh, Jackie. Okay, who understands this equation? Okay, what's the answer?
5.
Oh my gosh, you're so smart, Rain. You are,
Jackie.
Jackie, you're not gonna have homework for tonight.
Really?
No, you are.
Oh.
You're gonna have 5 more pages.
Well, how about you, Felicia?
It's Felicia, not Felicia.
Felicia.
It's Felicia.
Felicia. What's the answer, huh?
I don't know. Do I look like I care? I'm gonna get an A plus on the test anyways.
Detention for you.
Wait, what the? Oh, first day of school.
Don't break the desk. I paid $10,000 for that.
Really? This is literally just a pillow.
Because it is $10,000 pillow. Okay.
And okay, so here's your homework. So make sure to do it tomorrow. Here are your books. Yes, do your math book. You can get them here later after school, and complete page 1 to page 58. And for you, Jackie, you're gonna do page 1 to 63. Bell. Okay. Class dismissed. Bye bye. Finally, school's over. I get except homework. Finally, class is over. Okay, I'm gonna go to the teacher's lounge now because it's recess for me. Oh wait, there's still more classes. Ugh. Guess I'll have to wait for the next class. Oh, I think they're here. I'm good. Hi, students. You can come in. Whoa. Oh, God. Oh, Ryan's so mean.
Look, Ellie got shot by gum.
Ew, she's so gross.
Anyone else?
Ah! Where's the freaking teacher? I'm ready for school. Wait, I think I need to go get my bag. I need to grab my bag, and I'll be back. Hello, students. First rule is no phones. So, give me your phone.
Okay, here.
I know people like you. Do you have any more? Okay.
Oh my god, a text message.
Teacher.
That's so funny.
What? I'm the teacher here, and so you don't bother me when I'm texting. No phones.
But you have a phone.
I'm a teacher. I'm a terrorist. I'm gonna take her back something funny. Ninja Turtles just go out and it looks like Naruto's bum. Class dismissed. You may go.
Huh?
Oh, another text message. You're so cool. I'm not a loser. You're being mean. I'm not a loser. I'm not. I'm not a crying baby. Remember the tips. Remember the tips from your bully classes. Let's do this. I've got this. Oh, hi, jerk. Wait, what? You're the jerk hair. You look so ugly. So? You look uglier. So, you're ugly. Ugh, get out of my way. So, I hope you like this little skit. And I also needed a help with my brother. He's really addicted to the game. Like,
Don't leave me in this game, miss.
look at that. Okay. So, I hope you really like it, and I guess I'll see you on my next video or skit. So,
Bye bye, Mr. Cheese.